Today I explained air is mixture but not compound. How? Compound means it is the combination of two or more different substances. Two or more different substances. Like one is called metal and another is called non-metal. So మెటలు నాన్ మెటలు రెండు కూడా both are combined and it gives a compound or like a product. For example, we take sodium Na plus and chlorine Cl minus. So Na means sodium is a metal, chlorine means it is called non-metal. So one is metal and the second is non-metal. So metal react with non-metal. It gives semi-metal. This semi-metal or metal is called a compound or product, but not mixture. But not mixture. So here metal means Na plus. It gives with Cl minus. It react with Cl minus. It form NaCl means sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a compound or product, but not mixture. So here air is not a compound. How to say air is not a compound? Means air is not a combination of one or two gases. It is the mixing of so many gases, not one or two. What are they? They are like oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, helium gas, hydrogen gas, and carbon dioxide, and some among a few others. So these are all mixed, and it can form a complex substance like air. So if air is a compound, just you imagine air is a compound. What is the reason? That means these are all gases. What I told previous. That means mentioned of oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, and helium gas, hydrogen gas, and carbon dioxide. These all gases are bonded chemically, and short of fixed like a compound. It is not possible. Why? Because some gases have melting points, some gases have boiling points are quite different. So there is no cause of air is a compound. Air is a just a mixture. Air is a just a mixture. So after we conclude that air is a mixture, what are the characteristics of air? Means air is not or definite chemical formula. Air ki yo chemical formula ledu. For example, chemical formula of water equal to H2O. Chemical formula of water equal to H2O. But what is the chemical formula of air? Air. It is not oxygen. It is not nitrogen. It is not hydrogen. It is not carbon dioxide. And it is not a few other gases. It is all mixed. So there is no chemical formula of air. So air has no chemical formula. And And one point is given, that is boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. When we take some amount of water in a beaker and we apply some amount of heat, after some time the water will be vapor. So boiling point of water means 100 degrees Celsius. But there is no boiling point of air. Air. Next one. Air consists of many gases. So many gases. Like hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, helium gas, carbon dioxide, and some amount of water. Finally, the components of air retain their individual properties. The components of air. Components means it is called some ingredients are mixed. Like here ingredients means some gases. What are those gases? Like oxygen, nitrogen, helium, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and a few other gases. These are all not to conduct their individual properties. Why? Because they are all mixed. So this is called air is not a compound. Air is only mixture.